Hey there, this is the Queen of Tax Deeds, Sandra Edmond. How are you all doing? I had a little well-deserved break from social media, but I am back. You know, sometimes you just need to take a break from social media, from Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and all that stuff. And I just took a little break just to refresh, recharge myself. Plus, had a lot of other stuff I had to take care of business-wise too. So just took a little break. But anyway, I'm back, and this is Tip Tuesday. And one of the tips I can give you actually is relevant to what's going on now is I've got some cash. If you're buying at the tax deed auction, you need to have a little bit of spare cash on hand, because sometimes, even if you're bidding online, it is faster to get your deposit in person than it is to do it online. A lot of the auctions require that you have a deposit in the auction before you can bid. So it's much faster sometimes to bring the money in and hand it in over the counter than it is to wire it, or if they allow the ACH. ACH is definitely not faster because it takes 3 days. The wire arrives the same day, depending on what time you do it, sometimes the next day. But there are times when you're not going to have a chance to get the money in fast enough because you're so busy doing the due diligence on the property, and it's easier to just go ahead and take the money over there and deposit it at the counter at the clerk's office. This works well because there is a fee to wire, and if you don't buy anything and you decide you want your money back, there's another fee that they're going to cut you a check, and it's going to take a few weeks for that check to come back anyway. So instead of paying all these wiring fees, sending money back and forth, sometimes it's easier just to go and drop off the money, because you're going to be in that county over there anyway, looking at the properties the day before the sale anyway. Hopefully you are. I tell you guys all the time, never bid on something you have not seen. Always make sure you look at every piece of property. So anyway, that's my Tip Tuesday. Don't forget, if you want to see more videos like this, like and follow, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Watch me on Facebook and Instagram. Have a great day. Happy investing.